Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at angles in the same segment are equal. But remember, this is a cyclic quad activity. Well, as we progress, right guys? So if you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once. Like and comment. We really appreciate you guys as we are growing the community. So this is grade 11 Euclidean Geometry. Right. Let's keep winning, guys. Let's keep winning. So the first question says calculate the value of the unknown angles. Well, calculate the value of the unknown angles. What we can see is that both L and P, these are angles on the same segment. That's what we can see first here. And L, we can see that L is equals to 20 degrees. And we can see that angle P is equals to X, right? So we are looking for those missing values, which is X and Y. Under Y, we can see that at angle M we have Y. At angle N we have 15 degrees. It's 15 degrees, right? So without wasting time, guys, I want you to remember this. Analyze the diagram. It's very important, especially when you're working with geometry. To analyze the diagram, it's very essential because it will help you to answer even difficult problems such as riders. You'll see your riders there. You will see your center theorem. You will see your cyclic quad. You will see your tangents once you listen carefully and analyze the diagram very carefully. To rush will make you fall. That's why there's a say that says when you rush, you'll crash. So you don't have to rush. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. So that's why in this video, you'll see me. I will not rush. I'll take it step by step so that you see what we are going to do. If you want to attempt this problem, you can kindly do so by pausing the video and do it. Remember, we have proven this theorem in our previous video where we talk about angles in the same segment proof. So I hope you have that knowledge. So pause the video, do it yourself, then check after. So that's how you can win, right? So I said that angle L and P are both angles that are on the same segment. It means that X will be 20 degrees, right? Remember, guys, in geometry, I shouldn't say, oh, this is X is equals to 20 without giving a reason. No, I'll be wrong. It's statement and reason. The statement must be supported by the reason. There's a reason why you say 1 plus 1 is 2. There's a reason why you say 2 plus 2 is 4, right? You must have a reason. Similarly, in Euclidean geometry, we must do the same. So we said that X is 20 degrees, so it must be supported by the reason. So the reason will be angle in the same segment. This is an angle in the same segment. Angles in the same segment, so meaning that here we also have 20 degrees, just as at L we have 20 degrees. These are both angles that are in the same segment. So let's work as well with M and N. You can also see that M and N are also on the same segment. So what we should do is to say Y is equals to 15 degrees. Y is equals to 15 degrees. It must be supported by a reason, just as I've told you. Remember, guys, I told you that it is essential that you support your statement with reason. So we said that y is equal to 15 degrees. So the reason it's angle in the same segment. Yes, so this is a statement and this is a reason. So if it was 4 marks, I would have gotten it. I will have 1 mark here, 1 mark for statement, 1 mark for statement, and 1 mark for reason, 1 mark for statement, and 1 mark for reason. So I hope, guys, you are doing that very well. It is very essential, guys, to do that. It's very, very, very essential to do that, because it will help you to do well. Do not rush, you will crash. So in this video, I will not rush. Yes, what's the rush? I don't want to crash. I want to do it great. But that doesn't mean that you must be slow. No, it doesn't mean that. You must be moderate. Remember, in exam, time flies, so you must ensure that you write as quick as possible, but do not rush, you will crash, right? So let's go to the second question, which is our B. Well, we have A, B, C, D, E. We also have to analyze here. What we could see at angle A, we are given a missing value. There's X. At angle B, we also have Y. At angle C, we also have there's a value there, but it's given as 15 degrees. There's only one value here, so it's given as 15 degrees. Just as I've told you, do not rush. Analyze the diagram first. Think and do. Don't do and think. No? You think and do. So we will think now first before we attempt it. You can see that angle X is equal to angle Y. What's the reason, Mr. Richard? The reason is that these are angles on the same segment, or arc subtends equal angles, or arc subtends equal angles. That could be another reason, right? So we can see that angle A is equal to angle B, which is they're both equal to each other. Then we can also see that angle B is equals to angle C. So in other words, that makes Y to be 15 degrees, as well as our X will be 15 degrees, because these are angles on the same segment, right? So that's how you analyze it. I haven't written anything. Just by looking at the diagram, I can see that this is equals to this, and this is equals to this. So that helps me to write things in an orderly manner, to get correct without blaming myself after they've marked. No, regret weight tons. They said regret weight tons. So we don't want to regret after. We want to do it in an orderly manner. If we crash, we crash. If we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. But we will have tried. We'll have tried, right? So let's write the first statement. Let's write the first statement, guys. So that's why today I said I'm taking my time, guys. Let's start X. I said because Y is equals to 15, as well as X will be 15, because Y is equals to 15. Both of this, all of this are on the same segment. So means that X is equals to 15 degrees. The reason, angles in the same segment. Okay, remember, your statement must be supported by the reason. You must support your statement with the reason. So you don't want to crash, right? So for you not to crash, guys, support it by the reason. Support it by the reason. You will never go wrong. You will never go wrong. So let's go to Y. We said X is equals to Y as well. So meaning that Y as well will be 15. We know why all of these are 15 is because this and this are on the same segment, and this and this are on the same segment. So this is angles in the same segment. Okay, we have yes, I guess we are cool then. And probably they will have given you how many marks is this? They would have given you 4 marks, 1 mark for statement, 1 mark for the reason. It will have 1 mark for statement, 1 mark for for reason, 1 mark for statement, 1 mark for reason. So that's the activity, guys, of angles in the same segment. We will look at the complex problem as we progress with our series of video of Euclidean Geometry Grade 11. Well, if you're new to this channel, do the right thing. What are you waiting for? Like the video, comment, and subscribe. And remember, we